Incredible news, the Ethereum ETF appears to be on track for approval in the near future. You should not miss this video if you are interested in Shiba Inu or if you own Shib tokens. So what's the most recent update on the Shiba Inu coin? Finally, how does this impact the Shiba Inu's worth? In today's video, I'll cover all of the recently released information regarding Shiba Inu and answer any questions you might have. I want you to know that I have invested a lot of time and effort on this video so that you won't miss a thing. Additionally, you can join up to purchase tunics using the description link. If you wish to trade Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency, including with leverage, the exchange is open to everyone, therefore you should definitely take advantage of my current special deposit bonus offer. But first, let's examine the graph. Only then will we go on to the main point. On May 23rd, will we? And observe the movement of the Shiba price. The current price of a Shiba Inu is approximately 2,584 units. With $496 million changing hands in 24 hours, the price of Shib has fallen 1.6%. At the moment, the token is the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency, with a market worth of more than $14.9 billion. These rates may have changed by the time you see the movie, so please be aware of that. We do not provide financial advice on this content. Plus, it's totally free to join my Telegram group. Individuals who put $1,000 into my most recent call had a return of more than $4,000 after just 3 days. The responses have been really phenomenal. If you haven't joined yet, you're truly losing out. Into today's video we shall go. According to market watchers, Shiba Inu has jumped to $15,530, meaning it would remove a zero if Shib were to gain 9% today. In his most recent Shib analysis, Marx made this prediction, drawing attention to a bull flag pattern that the asset with a dog motif produced during the past 6 days. As consolidation precedes a return to the prior upswing, bull flags usually manifest as continuation patterns. A bull flag is formed by a Shiba Inu. To put that in perspective, the last rise for Shiba Inu occurred between February 25th and March 5th when the breed's popularity reached an all-time high of 4,567 units, an increase of more than 370%. She'd encountered opposition at the 4,500 unit territory, which was anticipated given that the supply wall is confirmed by the into the block data at this level. You can store 9.56 trillion tokens in an address because of the subsequent course adjustment. Shiba Inu had to give back part of the ground they had gained during the initial push. The overall market volatility has only made matters worse for the bears. A bull flag formed as a result of the downtrend that has been in place since March 6th, as shown on Mark's chart. What a remarkable breakthrough. Nevertheless, this week saw a recovery in the cryptocurrency market, led by Bitcoin's first gain in over a month, which brought its price beyond $71,000. Taking advantage of the general market recovery, Shib's price spiked to an all-time high Tuesday, breaking back above the 2,600 unit mark after a 2-week absence. Yesterday, Shib closed with a 9% gain, despite the fact that this level has proven to be resistant. According to Marx, Shiba has broken out above the current bull flag thanks to the recent price increase. The analyst believes that if Shiba can maintain this breakthrough, it might trigger a run comparable to the one that happened in late February. In order to maintain this breakout, Shiba Inu must prevent any declines below the 2,460 unit support level. Importantly, Shib would re-enter the bull flag if it were to fall below this level. As per Fibonacci 0.236, in order to prevent a decline below 2,460 units, the bulls would need to maintain 2,490 units. Shiba Inu is aiming for 0.000153. Marx, on the other hand, predicts that Shiba Inu will surge another 210% during its second leg up, reaching 8,100 units, which is 9% below its all-time high of 8,804 to 5 units. From the current price of 2,560 units, the analyst has set a higher objective of 0.000153, representing a 511% increase should she surpass the 1,001. According to his whole tweet, the Shiba Inu has broken out of a smaller bull flag-like pattern, which might trigger an additional big wave of gains in the already enormous uphill run. If a bigger breakout still holds, this smaller one can start a run of almost 210% to 8,100 units, which is more than 3 times where we are now. Should Shib manage to break above 8,100 units, it might be poised for a 90% increase to 0.000153. Notably, a different Unis analyst had already forecasted last month that Shiba 1 had set a 409% increase to 0.000125 as the final objective for this surge. With a small increase in accumulation, Shib plans to try to reach these goals, accumulation minus distribution, increased to 7.58 trillion Shib yesterday, according to market statistics, as a result of the 9% intraday rise, an astounding increase from 7.34 trillion on April 30th. This signifies Cohen Glass data shows that investors have continued to remove Shib tokens from exchanges despite today's 2% drop. It would mean the world too? Tell me if you could hit that like button if you're still here. With no out-of-pocket expense, you can show your support for the channel. But stay tuned for further Shiba developments and to see what the future of Shiba coin holds. Two of the largest and most well-known meme coins available today are Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. Doge, the first meme coin, launched in 2013. This gives it an advantage. Nonetheless, since its introduction in 2020, Shib has achieved considerable commercial progress. When it comes to market capitalization, Doge is presently ranked 10th and Shib is ranked 12th. Shib has achieved great strides in its nearly 4-year existence and frequently views itself as the Doge killer. In contrast, Doge has a higher market cap and more users. The market capitalization of Shib is approximately $14.1 billion, whilst Doge is valued at approximately $21.8 billion. Regardless, there is a large and dedicated fan base for both assets, if you ask ChatGPT-4, the best. Investments for the summer of 2024 are Shiba and Inu. As potential drivers of the asset's value, the chatbot mentioned active projects as Shiba Hub, Shiba Eternity P2E, K9 Finance, and Shiba Swap 2.0. One of Shib's strengths, according to ChatGPT, is its dedicated community. This video's primary plot is about to begin now. I'll tell you why Ethereum's price is going up today. How did the price of Ethereum suddenly skyrocket? After making history as the most popular cryptocurrency network, Ethereum ETH reached its all-time high ETH of $4,891 in 2021. After years of hiding out due to deteriorating market conditions, Ethereum finally saw a spike in March 2024. After a brief hiatus, the price of Ethereum has begun to climb again, on with a significant pump in the past 24 hours due to two factors: the market's recovery and upgrades to the Ethereum Etf, market conditions that favor buyers. Finally, bulls emerged with a fear and greed index score of 70 out of 100 after weeks of neutral attitudes limiting market conditions. Consistent with today's optimistic market circumstances, the total market value increased to $2.61 trillion and the trading volume reached $133.96 billion. Ethereum and all the other cryptocurrencies have recovered $1.5 billion after making good gains in the past day. In addition, cryptocurrencies are experiencing price increases due to Bitcoin's price, aiming for an all-time high of $73,750 following a rise to $71,232. A green light for an Ethereum